Hey guys, John Ringgold with Keller Williams One Legacy Partners here. I just wanted to share a short story with you about a lady that gave me a call a couple weeks ago. She called me and we had a good conversation about her situation. With the COVID pandemic going on, she found herself out of a job and she's been having a hard time finding new employment that matches the income she had before, and it caused her a little bit of a financial hardship. So she called me and confided in me that she was behind a month on her payment and she wasn't going to be able to catch it up. And so we had a great conversation. I met with her, sat down, we talked about her true situation. We discussed all the options and came up with a good solution for her. When we talked, she had never heard about forbearance before. Now, forbearance is something that some of the mortgage companies are allowing you to do, that if you're in a financial hardship, you can kind of skip a couple payments and maybe push them to the end of your loan. But it's very important. There's some good things and some bad things that can happen with forbearance. Forbearance should be your last resort if you're in a financial hardship. But it is an option. She called me after our consultation, took about 30 minutes or so of explaining and discussing all of her options. She called me the next day and said she decided to go ahead and go with forbearance. That was the best option for her. So I was really happy to have the opportunity to sit down, give her a short consultation on and hear what her situation was, and help her out. And so now she's not going to lose her home. She's moving forward with the forbearance, which was the right option for her and her situation right now until she can find better employment. I just feel good that we could help her out. So if you or someone you know are maybe a few months behind in your payments, you want to learn more about forbearance, if you're finding yourself out of work, not able to make your payments at this time and maybe not be able to catch them up if you need to, give me a call and let's talk about what your options are. Maybe you have equity in your house and it is time to sell. What we don't want is we don't want you to get a foreclosure. The missed payments are definitely hurting your credit unless you are in forbearance. But we don't want you guys to end up with a foreclosure or damage your credit any further than you actually positively have to. So give me a call. My number's down below. I look forward to talking to you. Thanks.